Welcome to the Abundant Life Prosperity Channel. Have you ever thought about becoming your own banker? Today we delve into a concept that could make that possible. Welcome to the world of the infinite banking concept, or IBC. The infinite banking concept is not a new phenomenon. It said it was born from the ideas presented by Nelson Nash in his book, Becoming Your Own Banker, Unlock the Infinite Banking Concept, published at the turn of the millennium. But it has been around longer than that. Nash's idea, the IBC, centers around the use of dividend-paying whole life insurance policies as a financial tool. It's a way to create a personal banking system that's a bit different from what you might be used to. This video is not intended to cover every aspect of this complex venture, but to give you a quick overview and explanation of how it works. Now, you might be wondering, how does it actually work? Well, the central idea is to leverage these specially designed policies to build a cash reserve. This reserve isn't just a static pile of money, though. It grows over time, swelling like a river after a heavy rain. But here's where it gets interesting. This blooming cash value isn't just sitting idle. It's accessible. Policyholders can tap into this reservoir through loans. And the best part? Even while you're borrowing against it, the policy continues to earn dividends. Yes, you heard it right. You can borrow money and still keep it growing. It's like having your cake and eating it too. You are the bank, and the insurance company is paying you a high percentage rate to borrow your money to invest. This concept of becoming your own banker, of having a pool of cash that grows and can be borrowed against at a lower interest rate than they are paying you to borrow your money, may sound too good to be true. But it's a reality for many who have embraced the IBC. And it's not just for the financial wizards among us. It's a tool that's been picked up and utilized by individuals seeking financial independence, by business owners, by real estate investors, and even by families looking to transfer wealth between generations. Now, it's important to remember that, like any financial strategy, the infinite banking concept comes with its own set of complexities and considerations. It's not a one-size-fits-all solution. It requires careful thought, research, and consultation with financial professionals. Each IBC is tailor-made to its owner. So, you might be wondering, who exactly uses IBC and why? Imagine having full control over your financial resources. That's the allure of IBC for individuals seeking financial independence. The infinite banking concept, or IBC, offers an appealing alternative to those who yearn to break free from the traditional banking system. Now let's look into how it works. The cash reserve in these policies grows over time, and policyholders can borrow against it, creating a revolving line of credit that they control. The beauty of this system lies in its flexibility. It allows policyholders to access funds when they need them, repay loans at their own pace at a lower interest rate than the insurance company is paying you to use your money, and even earn dividends on the policy's cash value while they have a loan outstanding. But why would someone choose this route over traditional banking methods? The reasons are manifold. Firstly, it's about control and independence. By becoming their own bankers, individuals can bypass the need for traditional loans and the often stringent requirements that come with them. They don't have to worry about credit checks, loan approval processes, or rigid repayment schedules. Secondly, it's about growth and stability. The cash value in these whole life insurance policies grows over time, providing a steady, predictable return that's not subject to the whims of the market. This makes it a reliable wealth-building tool in the long run. Thirdly, it's about privacy. Transactions made within the policy, including loans, are private and not reported to credit bureaus or IRS. This provides an additional layer of financial privacy that's not available with traditional banking methods. Fourthly, it's about leveraging opportunities. With ready access to funds, individuals can seize investment opportunities as they arise, without having to wait for loan approvals or drain their savings. And the cherry on top, it is tax-free. The IRS cannot see it, seize it, you cannot be sued for it, and it's the best tool to build generational wealth. But it's not just individuals seeking financial independence who find IBC useful. Business owners do too. Running a business comes with its own set of financial challenges. This is where IBC comes in handy for business owners. The infinite banking concept, or IBC, is a financial strategy that allows business owners to tap into a fluid source of funds when and as needed. The way it works is through the cash value of a specially designed dividend-paying whole life insurance policy. This cash value serves as a readily accessible pool of liquidity for business expenses or investment opportunities. Picture this. You're a business owner and you've got this policy that's been quietly accruing cash value over the years. Suddenly, an unexpected business expense crops up. Instead of scrambling for a loan from a traditional bank, which might involve high interest rates and a lengthy approval process, you can simply dip into your policy's cash value. Similarly, imagine you stumble upon an investment opportunity that you believe could take your business to new heights. But as is often the case, the opportunity is time-sensitive. Fortunately, with IBC, you don't have to wait on an external lender's approval or risk missing out. You can take a policy loan against your cash value and seize the moment. What's more, the policy continues to earn dividends even when you borrow against it. This is because the insurance company still considers the full death benefit when declaring dividends, not just the reduced amount after the loan. But the real beauty of IBC lies in the flexibility it affords. Business owners can tailor their borrowing and repayment schedules according to their unique needs and circumstances. This flexibility can be a game changer, especially in industries where cash flow might fluctuate seasonally or unpredictably. In essence, IBC allows business owners to become their own bankers, providing a financial safety net and the freedom to make strategic business decisions. It's an empowering way to manage one's business finances, and it's no wonder that more and more business owners are turning to IBC for their financial needs. Speaking of investments, real estate investors also find IBC to be a useful tool. Real estate investment requires financial flexibility, and guess what? The infinite banking concept, or IBC, provides just that. In the real estate world, opportunities come and go quickly. Traditional banks can sometimes slow down the process with their lengthy approval procedures and stringent conditions. That's where IBC comes in, offering a lifeline to investors who need to act swiftly to secure profitable deals. By using the cash value from their whole life insurance policies, investors can access funds quickly to purchase properties. This is done through policy loans, which, unlike traditional loans, don't require credit checks or extensive paperwork. This means investors can potentially close deals faster and without the stress of applying for a mortgage or a traditional loan. But it's not just about speed. The IBC gives investors control over their financing. They can decide when and how much to borrow, as well as how quickly they pay back the loan. There are no fixed repayment schedules or penalties for early repayment. This flexibility allows investors to manage their cash flow more effectively, a crucial aspect in the unpredictable world of real estate. Moreover, the policy continues to grow and earn dividends even when a loan is outstanding. Therefore, while the investor is using the loan to generate income through property investment, their insurance policy continues to be a source of growth. It's like having your cake and eating it too. Of course, it's essential to remember that while IBC offers many advantages, it also requires a long-term commitment and careful planning. The cash value of the policy takes time to build, and it's not an immediate source of funds. Therefore, it's a strategy that works best for investors who are playing the long game in real estate. While these investors are building their portfolios, some families use IBC to build a legacy. Real estate investment in IBC can be a profitable combo for those who know how to play their cards right. From building a financial legacy to finding tax-efficient strategies, IBC has wide-ranging uses. Families often turn to the infinite banking concept, or IBC, as a means of wealth transfer between generations. Establishing whole life insurance policies can create a financial legacy. The cash value of these policies grows over time, creating a substantial reserve that can be accessed by beneficiaries. This approach not only provides a financial buffer for future generations, but also offers a method of passing on wealth that sidesteps the often complex and costly probate process. Moreover, the death benefit that whole life insurance policies provide is generally income tax-free for beneficiaries. This tax advantage can make IBC an appealing strategy for families seeking to maximize the wealth they pass on to their loved ones. On the other end of the spectrum, we find high earners who are constantly on the lookout for tax-efficient strategies. For these individuals, the IBC can serve as a powerful tool. The cash value growth in whole life insurance policies is generally tax-deferred, meaning that policyholders won't have to pay taxes on this growth until they withdraw it. But the tax benefits don't stop there. When policyholders borrow against their policy's cash value, These policy loans may offer tax advantages compared to other financing methods. In most cases, policy loans are not considered taxable income, providing high earners with a tax-efficient source of financing. But as with any financial strategy, it's essential to tread carefully. The infinite banking concept is not a one-size-fits-all solution. It requires careful planning and consideration to determine if it aligns with your long-term financial goals and risk tolerance. While IBC offers many benefits, it's important to remember that it's not for everyone. Always consult with a financial professional to see if it aligns with your financial goals and circumstances. In summary, using an IBC is basically dollar cycling. You place your money in the IBC and capture that money, meaning it will always be there as long as you own the policy. Having money in an IBC and then borrowing against it doesn't diminish the value of it. It is quite the opposite. The amount in your IBC never diminishes. There are several financial advisors who are offering their clients IBC. Ask your financial advisor or check out the link posted in the comments below for in-depth reviews of the IBC by one of the greatest senior financial advisors I have ever worked with. Take back the power of the banks by becoming your own bank. Ask your financial advisor or your insurance agent for more information, or click on the links below for more in-depth information. Thank you for watching, and like and subscribe for more.